Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. We just got Veer's City Cruiser and we are excited to open up this wagon and see what it does. Let's check it out. This box was a big one, but I was excited to see how the wagon was organized inside. I realized that Veer sent us the City Cruiser XL, which is awesome because the XL seats up to 4 children. When I pulled out the wagon, I saw in the box were one bigger back wheel and the fenders for those 2 back wheels, as well as the drink and snack tray and 2 cup holders. I like how the wagon is already pretty compact. Opening the wagon was very simple to do. You just click in the sides into place. Inside were the 2 front wheels and the other back wheel. With the large wheel fenders, I appreciate that they clearly labeled which one is for the left wheel and for the right wheel. Just push them into place and click in the wheels, which are also super simple to remove. The snack and drink tray also just clips into the sides of the wagon, so it's easy peasy. Then I got the cup holders, which slides into place. They do move around a bit, so be mindful of that with your cup or your beverage. I then had to test out the steering and turning radius of the wagon. It's super smooth like a stroller, and I like how there is a one-touch foot brake, and then you just press the white button with your foot to release the brake. One thing that I was surprised by was how tight the screw was on the handlebar adjustment. I had to get some pliers to loosen it so I could open and adjust the height. There's not a huge height range, but enough to make it more comfortable for me. Now, looking at the wagon, I do love how the seats are contoured and vented, which is great for airflow. And when opening, be sure to press down on the expandable footwell. For safety, the 4 seats do have a 3-point harness, which is great so your kiddos can ride safely. And I really love how this wagon is incredibly easy to clean. With its water and stain-resistant sidewalls, you can just spray it down with a hose and let it air dry. Little crumbs and stains are nothing to worry about with this Veer wagon. To fold it, remove the tray and press the buttons on the front and back walls to release and fold the sides in. Then go to the handle and pull up on the latches to fold the handle in as well. It's a super compact fold, and it can even stand on its own. With an amazing turning radius, all-terrain performance, push like stroller or pull like a wagon, and fabulous accessories available, this is a sturdy and well-constructed wagon we recommend.